Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says evaluate 8 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 20. So we are going to evaluate it for us to find the value of x. So we are given 8 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 20. So here we recall that one of the rules of indices or law of indices says that when we have a to the power of m plus n is same thing as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So expressing this in this format, we are going to have 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of minus 1 equals to 20. This is same thing as having 8 to the power of x times 1 all over 8, because 8 to the power of minus 1 equals to 1 all over 8, because when we have a to the power of minus 1 equals to 1 all over 8. So we express that in this format. So this is equals to 20. This can be written as 8 to the power of x all over 8. When we multiply it out, it gives us 20. So for us to find the value of x, what we are going to do is for us to cross multiply. This 20 is the same thing as 20 all over 1. When we cross multiply, it's going to give us 8 to the power of x times 1 will give us 8 to the power of x equals to 8 times 20, or we have 20 times 8. So this is what we have. So in this case, we can apply log to both sides. So this will become log 8 to the power of x equals to log 20 times 8. For further evaluation, we recall another law of logarithm that says that when we have log a to the power of x, is same thing as x log a. So we are going to express this in that format. That is going to give us x log 8 equals to log 20 times 8. So here, for us to find the value of x, we need to divide both sides by log 8. So this will become x log 8 all over log 8 equals to log 20 times 8 divided by log 8. Log 8 will cancel here and log 8 will cancel here. We have x equals to log 20 times 8 all over log 8. Here we also recall, take note, when we have log AB is same thing as log A plus log B. So we are going to express the numerator as this. So we have the value of x equals to log 20 plus log 8 all over log 8. We can separate that to each or by themselves, and it's going to give us x equals to log 20 all over log 8 plus log 8 all over log 8. This will cancel here and this will cancel here. We are now left with x equals to, let's take this one first, 1 plus log 20 all over log 8. 20 can be written as 4 times 5. So it will give us x equals to 1 plus log 4 times 5 all over log 8. Same rule that we says expressing that this in this format, this will give us x equals to 1 plus log 4 plus log 5 all over log 8. 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2, and 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So this is same thing as x equals to 1 plus log 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5. Then we separate each other. This is log divided by log 3, 2 to the power of 3, and we divide by log 2 to the power of 3. So doing, we also recall another law of logarithm, that when we say note, when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. So we are going to express each of these in this format. That is going to give us the value or the solution of what we are looking for. Therefore, that is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 all over, this is going to give us 3 log 2. Then we have plus log 5 all over, this is going to give us 3 log 2. So in that case, our value of x will be equal to this same thing as 1 plus, here will be 2 over 3. We have log 2 over log 2 plus log 5 all over, or we write it this way, 1 over 3 log 5 all over log 2. This will cancel here and this will cancel here. We are now left with x equals to 1 plus 2 over 3. Then we have plus 1 over 3 log 5 divided by log 2. We also recall that when we have log a all over log b is same thing as log a base b. So this is another law of logarithm that we are going to apply here. Before we do that, we need to add this. So that will give us x equals to this same thing as 1 over 1. Taking the LCM will be over 3. This is 3 times 1, we have 3, plus this is 1, 1 times 2, we have 2. Then we have plus 1 all over 3 log 5 base 2. So this is same thing as x equals to 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. So this is the solution of x that we have, and it satisfies this expression. We will do a little check for us to see whether this solution will satisfy that. Before we do that, we need to clean this for us to continue our solution. So here we say we need to carry out little check for us to see whether from this our x will be equal to 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. So doing, we are going to substitute into 8 to the power of x minus 1, whether this will give us 20. So this will become 8 to the power of 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 minus 1. Will this equals to 20? So doing, the law of integers says that we can separate this. So this can become 8 to the power of 5 over 3 times 8 to the power of 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then we have times 8 to the power of minus 1. If you add this, will this equals to 20? So in this case, this can be written as 2 to the power of 3. Then we have 5 over 3 times 2 to the power of 3. Then we have 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then we have times 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of minus 1. Will this equals to 20? So in this case, we can see that 3 can cancel here and 3 can cancel here. 3 can cancel here and can cancel here. We are now left with 2 to the power of 5 times, this is 2 to the power of log 5 base 2. We have here times, this is the same thing as 1 all over 2 to the power of 3. Will this equals to 20? This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 5 times. We recall that when we have a to the power of log b base a, the same thing as b. So this will give us, this is the same thing as 5 times this is same thing as 1 all over 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Will this equals to 20? We know that 2 to the power of 5 is same thing as 32. Then we have times 5 times 1 all over 8. Will this equals to 20? We can see that 8 will cancel here and 8 will cancel here 4. Then we have 4 times 5, which is 20, equals to 20. We have on the left hand side 20 and we have on the right hand side 20. Therefore, our value of x equals to 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 satisfy this expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.